Good day, viewers. We're thrilled to bring you another informative video.
Kaweco is a Dutch manufacturer that specializes in manufacturing agricultural machinery, including slurry tankers. The company's slurry tankers are equipped with a variety of features, including advanced suspension systems, electronic controls, and powerful pumps that make them easy to operate and maintain. They come in a range of sizes to suit different farm sizes and requirements, from small to large-scale farming operations.
Ropa Euromouse 4 is a self-propelled sugar beet cleaning and loading machine with a new intake system, moving the mouse into transport position, namely folding into a compact transport width of 3 meters and total length of 15 meters, is fully automatic from the cab with just one control. A large wheelbase of 5.5 meters, combined with 2 additional axles with hydraulic suspension, ensures safe handling of a massive loader.
The mobile chipper Genshem 820DQ from Noller Landschaftsflieger impresses with its high-performance potential. The chipping drum is driven directly by an auxiliary engine. All other components, the crane and discharge fan, are powered by the truck's engine. The helix rotor guarantees particularly smooth machine operation. The new breakage protection on the counter knife significantly reduces the risk of failure in the event of foreign objects. The German company Nexat is preparing to launch a universal tractor on the market that will combine the capabilities of all major agricultural machines. The tractor will be powered by a hybrid engine that can run on both diesel and electric power, making it an environmentally friendly option. It'll also have a spacious cabin with ergonomic controls and comfortable seating for the operator. The Big Bud tractors are powerful and capable of handling a range of tasks, including plowing, seeding, harvesting, hauling, tilling, and landscaping. Overall, the Big Bud tractors are versatile machines that can handle a variety of tasks on the farm or ranch. They're designed to be efficient, durable, and reliable, making them a valuable asset for any farming operation. Before planting the bulbs in the ground, the soil must be well cultivated and fertilized. Today, this process has become easier than ever, thanks to modern technology. It's hard to believe that relatively recently, all these processes had to be done manually. The BB Umwelttechnik Clementer Kampfschwader combination is a powerful and versatile machine designed for use in agricultural settings. This combination machine includes the Kampfschwader and a Clementer, 2 important pieces of equipment used in the haymaking process. The Kampfschwader is a machine used for tedding and raking hay. It consists of a series of rotating teeth that lift and separate the hay, helping it to dry more quickly and evenly. The Sputnik new single-pass planter is a highly efficient and innovative piece of farm equipment designed to improve planting operations for potato farmers. The planter is designed to be used in conjunction with a powerful tractor, such as the John Deere 8360 RT, which is known for its reliability and performance in heavy-duty farming applications. The planter is built with a durable and rugged construction, using high-quality materials to ensure long-lasting performance in tough field conditions. John Deere tailed sprayers are available in a range of sizes and configurations, allowing farmers to select the best option for their specific needs. The tanks of these sprayers are made from durable polyethylene, which is resistant to UV rays and chemicals. The tanks are available in sizes ranging from 1,000 to 3,000 liters, giving farmers plenty of options to choose from. The Horsch Focus TD is a cutting-edge universal seeder designed to optimize the seeding process for a variety of crops. It is equipped with advanced technologies that make it easier and more efficient to plant seeds, leading to better yields and increased productivity. One of the key features of the Horsch Focus TD is its precision seeding system, which uses a highly accurate metering unit to measure that each seed is placed at the optimal depth and spacing. The JCB 8330 is a powerful tractor with a robust design that makes it ideal for handling heavy-duty tasks like slurry spreading. It features a large capacity tank that can hold a significant amount of liquid manure, which makes it possible to cover large areas of farmland without needing frequent refills. The tractor also comes equipped with a specialized spreading mechanism that ensures even distribution of the liquid manure across the field. The Fendt Ideal 9T also includes a number of advanced features that improve the harvesting process. For example, the harvester includes a high-resolution camera system that provides real-time monitoring of the harvesting process, allowing the operator to quickly detect and address any issues that may arise. The machine also includes an advanced cleaning system that can be adjusted to suit different crop conditions, ensuring that only high-quality grain is harvested. The Krone Pellet Mill Primos 5000 is a high-tech machine that is designed to convert a variety of agricultural materials into high-quality feed pellets. The Primos 5000 is equipped with a powerful hammer mill that is capable of crushing and grinding a wide range of materials, including corn, wheat, barley, and soybeans. The ground material is then compressed into dense pellets using a state-of-the-art pellet mill. Another high-powered tractor that is designed to provide farmers with the performance, efficiency, and reliability they need to get the job done is the Case IH Steger Quadtrac 550. Its four-track design provides several advantages over traditional wheeled tractors, including increased traction, reduced soil compaction, and improved maneuverability. The four tracks also help to distribute the weight of the tractor more evenly, which can help to reduce soil damage and improve overall field performance. The Horsch Lieb P2 280 is a state-of-the-art self-propelled sprayer designed for precision agriculture. This advanced technology is designed to ensure precise application of crop protection products even at high speeds. It features individual nozzle control and automatic boom height adjustment, which helps to reduce overlap and prevent drift. This technology also allows farmers to save on chemical costs and improve their crop yield. Together, the John Deere 9570 and Great Plains Turbo Max provides farmers with a powerful and efficient solution for preparing their land for planting. With their advanced technologies and rugged construction, these machines are capable of handling even the toughest agricultural tasks with ease, making them an essential tool for modern farming operations. The TurboMax is equipped with a range of advanced features, including adjustable disc gangs and hydraulically adjustable depth control. The Challenger MT765C is a powerful and versatile crawler tractor produced by AGCO Corporation, one of the world's leading manufacturers of agricultural equipment. One of the key benefits of this tractor is its advanced track system. The tractor is equipped with a heavy-duty track system that provides superior traction and flotation on a wide range of soil types, allowing it to operate effectively in challenging field conditions. The Diegelmann Rock King is a heavy-duty rock picker designed to make clearing rocks from fields an efficient and easy process. This machine is ideal for farmers and contractors looking to save time and money while maximizing productivity. The machine is equipped with a large, high-capacity hopper that can hold a large number of rocks, and it features a hydraulically driven reel that rotates and collects rocks. The Agricultural Rock Picker for ATV is a specialized attachment designed to be used with an all-terrain vehicle, or ATV, for clearing rocks and debris from agricultural fields. Its powerful hydraulic system and robust components allow it to handle a wide range of rock sizes and shapes, while its adjustable settings and user-friendly interface make it easy to operate and customize to meet specific needs. GXXD6 is the smallest piling rig in the market, designed to work in extremely tight spaces, limited headroom, and job sites difficult to access.
It's equipped with a powerful engine and hydraulic system that provide high torque and speed, allowing it to drill through even the toughest soil and rock formations. The Struck Verix 4500 is a high-quality cultivator designed for farmers and agricultural professionals looking to prepare fields for planting and improve soil quality. This machine features 6 cultivator tines, which can be adjusted to suit the needs of the specific field and crop. It also comes equipped with Diabolo rollers, which provide a highly effective soil compaction system. The Freeman self-propelled baler is highly productive and maneuverable. It can be used to harvest and press various crops such as hay, straw, alfalfa, and others, making it a versatile tool for farmers and farms. The cab of the Freeman baler has enough space for the operator to work comfortably for long hours. This is especially important when doing heavy work in the field. This machine is designed to remove aquatic weeds and debris from water bodies. The machine is operated by a crew of trained professionals who navigate it through the backwaters, collecting weeds and debris as they grow. The collected material is then deposited onto a barge or other vessel for disposal. The Modi pumpkin harvesting machine is a specialized piece of equipment used for commercial pumpkin harvesting. It's designed to efficiently harvest pumpkins from fields in a quick and automated process. The machine works by driving over the pumpkin plants and using a set of rotating blades to cut the stem from the pumpkin, separating it from the vine. The pumpkins then fall onto the conveyor belt or other collection system and are transported to a storage or processing area. The Toll Incorporated Crosshedger is a fast and efficient tree trimming machine designed for use in orchards, vineyards, and other agricultural settings. With its powerful cutting blades and innovative design, this machine is capable of quickly and accurately trimming trees of various sizes and shapes. Its precision cutting blades are designed to provide a clean and accurate cut, while its unique cross-hedging feature allows for efficient trimming of both sides of the tree at once. Agricultural robot Sweeper helps farmers to harvest. It's specifically intended for use in single-stem row cropping systems where the fruits are not clustered and where there's little leaf occlusion. The manufacturers have incorporated advanced computer vision methods to improve the robot's ability to detect ripe produce.
The EcoVolve electric dumper is a cutting-edge electric vehicle designed for use in a wide range of applications, including construction, landscaping, agriculture, and more. One of the key benefits of the EcoVolve electric dumper is its eco-friendly design. This machine is powered entirely by electricity, eliminating the need for fossil fuels and reducing carbon emissions. Claas Cougar 1400 is a powerful and efficient self-propelled mower that is designed to tackle large fields and rough terrain. It's equipped with a range of advanced features that make it a popular choice for farmers and contractors. The machine is designed with a low center of gravity, which helps to improve stability and maneuverability even on uneven ground.